Did you know that staying in this position for 5 minutes is equivalent to 8 hours of sleep? 8 incredible hours. This is a technique used by soldiers to rest during the war. So save this video and practice. It can reduce anxiety, headaches, back pain and fatigue. Imagine the impact this could have on your daily routine. How much could your life improve? You've been sleeping badly all your life and didn't know it. If you have trouble sleeping and relaxing your mind and body, you need to learn this technique. Have you ever noticed that in hospitals, patients are placed with their legs slightly elevated in relation to the rest of their body? That's no coincidence, my friends. This position is called the Trendelenburg position and was created by a German. It helps to relax our parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic system is responsible for controlling the body's automatic functions, such as heart rate, breathing, digestion, and stress response. It is activated when the body is in a relaxed state, promoting energy conservation and facilitating digestive activities. Now try this technique. Did you know that practicing this movement every night for 5 minutes before bed can reduce sciatic nerve pain, knee pain, and even eliminate varicose veins? All you have to do is use your feet and perform these movements. This improves brain health. Just do these exercises every day. You just need to repeat these movements several times. Concentrate fully while you're doing them. Your mind will become much sharper, your memory will improve, and you'll have a greater ability to remember things. Do these movements every day and you'll notice significant results. Also, notice what it does to your hand. It relieves pain in your hands, fingers, and all over your body. Just do this powerful exercise. Do this small movement with your hand for 3 minutes every day and say goodbye to all the pain in your hands and fingers. Save this video and practice these exercises that you probably didn't know about. Did you know that you can look 10 years younger with this technique? Just press this point on your face. Make these movements with both fingers. Apply it between your eyes and eyebrows for 3 minutes every day. That's amazing. Which of these tricks did you like best? I'll leave it here for now. Cheers. Stay with God.